What's up, guys? So, we ordered a repair business iFixIt kit with also a t-shirt, and we got a sticker and their manifesto, I believe.
Sounds about right.
So, let's do an unboxing.
Let's do it.
Now, this is not sponsored. This is just, we've been looking at some stuff and decided to get it.
I want to see the t-shirt.
Right there on top is this lovely t-shirt. Never take broken for an answer.
It's cool. It also has the iFixIt logo on the back. Awesome. I'm assuming that's the manifesto.
I think so. It makes sense. True.
Hey. That was a butt.
Yes, it is. Look at that.
Looks nice. Cool. I'd read it all, but that's a lot of words to read.
Okay. Next is
The big guy itself.
this big guy, which we'll come back to in just a second.
And our tiny little sticker.
Look at that thing. Nice little sticker.
I was expecting it a little bigger. But it looks nice.
Okay.
Carrying strap.
So, that's the front of it. Got the nice little iFixIt logo down the corner. Good size bag.
With a nice carrying strap.
Nice and easy for if you need to take any of your tools to go. Should we start in the front?
Sure.
So we got a small pocket in the front
Screwdrivers.
with quite a bit of stuff in it. So we've got some nice torque wrenches. And hope if I can put that back away. Thank you. Some standoffs, some Phillips. Cool deal. A nice little multimeter by MCH.
Mm-hmm.
Now the real question. It does not ship with batteries.
Darn.
Oh, wait, nope. Nope, I'm sorry. Gotta dig a little bit deeper.
Batteries included!
So it is the MCH 100 600 count digital multimeter.
Cool beans.
Okay. Then we have our anti-static mat, the portable version. But I've not seen a non-realistically portable version of an anti-static mat, but it is nice to have. I'm making a pile over there. So you got a regular wrist strap, plus then one that attaches down to the mat.
It's all blue.
It is all completely blue.
Interesting.
Huh. Oh, I'm holding it upside down. Apparently the iFixIt logo is right there on the bottom.
And you got two attachments, it looks like.
Yeah, so you can attach to the other side.
That's nice. Looks good, looks good.
Okay, let's get this back in this part of the bag.
That's the unfun part, putting it all back together again.
What? But there's actually quite a bit of room in this bag, so far, that is not a problem.
Very true.
Easy peasy. Nice little Velcro strap on the top.
Now the big pocket.
We have another tube.
I'm gonna laugh if it's another manifesto.
It almost looks like it's another manifesto.
Yep.
Well, cool deal.
They say two is better than one.
Yeah. We got a nice little microfiber cleaning cloth. Actually, two little ones in it.
Those are nice.
Those can go back in there so they stay nice and clean. Then we got a digital caliber. Nice little, pretty strong case. Pop this on open. Extended warranties and everything. There's a lot of paperwork that comes with these. And batteries are included still.
That's a nice little case.
You're sitting here like, I don't even know what that's for.
Nope. I'm the pretty one.
Okay. Next, we have the opening tools for iPhones and iPads. We're gonna probably keep this bag. So, nice little couple suction cups, go right on there, and then just pops right open with it. That'll be handy, because somebody breaks phones quite often.
Only one or two.
Let's see. Next, we have the Protech Toolkit. No, it has stickers. I'll send that off with you. So, we'll skip that for the moment. We got some more suction cups for some more glass and such. On a nice little carabiner so they don't get lost. We got the screensaver lens cleaner. So that's nice. Getting all the cleaning stuff in there. We got another little kit that comes out. That is empty. Oh, apparently the cap fell off the cleaning kit. So we're going to drop this guy down for a minute. So, we got some pry tools, we got some tweezers, nice little anti-fabric. Anti-static brush. Apparently I had a knife right here.
Oh.
Some pry bars. What next is it? That's the magnetic project mount.
Interesting.
Oh. That was almost satisfying.
Almost.
Apparently I'm just going to destroy the box. Pull tab to open. Well,
you informed us a little too late.
The picture makes this look a little bit bigger, but it is still nice. Plus, comes with its own little dry erase marker. So you can mark up exactly what screw that went to and what you're working on that mat.
I found a patch.
Well, that should have like a magnetic to it. Yes, there is a patch.
I like it. It looks like a hot glue patch.
Yeah. We got.
No, hot glue. Iron-on. There we go.
Let's see. I do not actually know what this is.
That's what the internet will be for later.
That is what the internet will be for later. Let us know if you know what that was. We got some Tesla tape. Sorry, not Tesla tape.
Tesla tape.
I'm not going to pull that out just because we don't want to ruin any of that. It does come with it.
Cool beans, cool beans.
That's everything out of the back of that pocket. We got the little pocket. We also have a nice little
pin.
Let's pull that out. With the iFixIt logo right there.
I'll have to do a close-up shot of the table after.
Oh, I was just going to digitally zoom in.
That works too.
And then a couple opening picks. That's all of that stuff right there in the middle. Put that all to the front. So then we of course have the Protech Toolkit. Again, the nice little logo right there in front. Now this kit should look familiar to you because I've got a off-brand version of this kit. But it does not work quite as nice. So we get some more of the Protech
picks.
Yes, the opening pry picks. We get some more tweezers, some more prying tools. Look at that guy. That's a nice little one. Some more suction cups. And this guy, if I can figure out how to do. That's a nice little feature. There it goes.
That also looks familiar.
It should, but it does not look a lot nicer.
Does look a lot nicer.
So, if you're looking for, if you're an IT guy like me and you're looking for some tools, you can save some money on Amazon and get pretty much this kit for about 20-30 bucks. Or you can buy the official one for about 50 bucks, which is a lot nicer than the knockoff ones what we've tried out been. Or you can go the full mile like we did for just about $300, I think it is, after tax.
I think so.
And get all of this. So, what's your thoughts?
Let us know.
What is this?
Still don't know.
Like the video, subscribe, watch us live right here on YouTube. Until later. Bye, guys.
Bye.
I'll get this all back together.
You do that.